current state of American performance. Some people feel that aliens taught the ancient Egyptians how to build the pyramids. Don't know about all that, but we're basically convinced that Czinger got its hands on some alien tech when designing the 21C. It also makes 1,250 horsepower and has set the production car lap record on every track it's driven on. Can Andy continue that tradition? Here's the hot lap of the 2025 Czinger 21C. Okay, this is awkward. So you're in the alien fighter jet.
Yeah, for sure.
All I have to say is this is the only car in my career I've ever driven where I'm like, maybe it is too fast.
But not for here, right?
Those on the road, yeah.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Good luck.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
That was good. All right. Well, Mr. Pilgrim.
Yes, sir.
So on your first hot lap, you set the track production car lap record. Well, they did it again. Czinger has set yet another track record on a racetrack, this time on its first lap out. The previous lap record was 147.18, and that was held by a 992 generation GT3 RS. That's now been displaced by the Zinger's 146.55. Down the front straight, the Czinger 21C hits a VMAX of 142.4 miles per hour. That's not only ferociously fast on such a short circuit, but it bests the 01X by over 4 miles per hour. However, the Corvette briefly pokes its snout back ahead of the 21C through the kink at turn 1. It's actually a good back and forth battle between these two all the way down to turn 6. After that, the big bend of turn 7 means the Chevy gets caught up in its own understeer. Another area where the Czinger excels is its stopping. It's bonkers. In fact, it produces an unheard of 1.72 Gs of deceleration. This is why you want so much electric torque on those front wheels, so you can get the thing quickly back up to speed again. Speaking of speed, the Czinger also has a 3-mile-an-hour higher minimum track speed than the mightiest ever Corvette, which we think is due to its massive aerodynamic advantage, producing nearly 4 times as much downforce as the ZR1X. Because of this, the 21C is capable of 1.77 Gs of lateral acceleration, a ridiculous number that bests the Corvette's best of 1.5 Gs. As you can see, the 21C goes faster, stops harder, carries more speed through the corners, and accelerates quicker, which is why it has set the production car lap record on every single racetrack it's driven on, including today at Chuckwalla. Well, I'm just going to say congrats on setting a lap record.
Thank you, mate. Thank you very much.
A cool thing to do.
Yeah, no, it's my pleasure. My pleasure. In one lap, yeah.
Tune into the full feature of all the vehicles, including road evaluations and more, right here on MotorTrend.